Have you ever seen interesting words or expressions in English, but you couldn't understand what they meant? It's necessary to study them in context. I'm here to help. Welcome to Everything English with John, the number one place for YouTube English lessons. I'm John, and today we're going to study interesting vocabulary in English. Social butterfly. Tom and Mia are at an office party. They're chatting with their colleagues. Mia, you've talked to almost everyone here tonight. How do you do it? I just enjoy getting to know people and making connections. It's a lot of fun for me. It's amazing how easily you can strike up a conversation with anyone. You must have a real talent for connecting with people. I guess I do. I just love being around people and making new friends. You're a social butterfly. It's a great quality to have, especially in a work environment. It's not always so beneficial, actually. I tend to put off doing my work. Quiz time! What does social butterfly mean? Someone who loves insects? Someone who is very shy? Someone who enjoys being social and meeting new people? Someone who can fly. Please pause the video and answer the question. That's right, it's C. Someone who enjoys being social and meeting new people. Teaching moment. A social butterfly is a person who loves to be social and meet new people. And the word has a feminine connotation. The word comes from how butterflies act, flying around and moving to the next flower. Another interesting way to describe this type of person is the life of the party. They're very social, outgoing, and extroverted. Examples: Emma attends a lot of events and makes friends easily. She's a real social butterfly. Mark is such a social butterfly. He seems to know everyone in town. Lucy's social calendar is always full. She's a true social butterfly. Erica can't concentrate at work because she's always leaving her desk to talk to others, because she's a social butterfly. Vocabulary extras. Rewatch the video to catch the vocabulary. Getting to know people. Forming relationships with people. Strike up a conversation. To start a conversation. I tend to do something. This is usual for me. Put off doing something. Postpone doing something. Thanks for watching Everything English with John. Please like, share, and subscribe. For more information or private classes, please visit my site, everythingenglishwithjohn.com.